Hey guys, this is Ruelas Landscaping. Today we'll be using our new Dk2 STUMP GRINDER. As you can see, we're trying to show you guys the lock brake. We used it, to lock it since we're going uphill. But it's really not that heavy to be pushing around. And then the ATV wheels make it, really easy to go all terrain. It's a pretty cool tool. It has a front wheel to maneuver easily. It's a cool system they came out with, and as you can see, it's small, fits right through this black fence. That way we could get to the back where the stumps are. Those two stumps on the right are going to be removed. Then we're gonna start removing these big stumps over here. It's our first time using this machine, so let's see how it handles these three stumps. Let's go take a look at the one back here. We're gonna see if we could get it, through this area. It's narrow, but yeah, see how it's gonna perform. It's a Dk2 power tool. It's the Opg888e. Here we have one of the stumps from earlier. Here we have my brother Ezekiel using the ryobi electric chainsaw. We tend to use gas chainsaws, but since it was early morning, we chose to break in our new electric chainsaw. The fact that it hasn't really stopped, impressed us. As you can see, Ezekiel's reaction. It's doing really well. We like, the outcome. Chopped right through it like water. Now to start up the stump grinder, as you can see, it has an electric starter. Started up real quick. Adjusted the speed of the blade. Now my brother's taking off the choke because we left it on so it could turn on since it's cold. And now he put on the lock. As you can see, the lock is on and went down. Lock right there, it's locked in. It's not your regular disc lock. It has like a little hole so it could be more sturdy, so it won't be pushing back every time you're grinding up the stump. As you can see, my brother, he's maneuvering the stump grinder really easy from left to right motion. It's not jumping back. It's working really well. We're liking the outcome. Here we have stump number 2. As you can see, my brother's at it again with the ryobi, and look at it, just launched it. Now big stump number 1. Although the stump grinder does have ATV wheels, we found out that the shield at the bottom didn't really let it, move forward as easily. So we shoveled away, as you could see, I shoveled away some of the debris from the bottom. Still doing it because it's a little difficult. It's a big tree, a lot of shaving. So we decided to chip from the other side, and then we had trouble turning it on with the electric starter. Luckily this machine has the electric starter and it has the pull to start, and we managed to turn it on. So now on to big stump number 2. Now on to the last stump. This last stump was really hard to get to, just due to the fact that it's, you know, really close to the pond. We didn't want the stump grinder to accidentally try to chip at a rock and, you know, mess up the machine. So my brother ended up turning off the stump grinder, and we first thought it was out of gas. Then for some weird reason the electric starter started working again, and when we got home and inspected it, it turned out that it was just the battery that had became loose from all the vibration. Once again, since this stump was really close to the pond, we stopped and we ended up, manually chipping the stump away little by little. And there we have it. All stumps that were here before are no longer here. The stump grinder performed way beyond expectation. It even fit through that little narrow place. As you can see, we didn't get near the pipes over there. Really easy to handle. Got it in this very tight corner, as you can see. Really good tool. Peace out.